Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change Facebook password. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first open your Facebook account, then go to the top right corner and click on this 3 dashes, then click on Setting. Now click on Account Center. And click on Privacy and Security. Click on Change Password, then choose your account. Now once this tab opens, in order to change your password first, you must have to enter your current password, then you must have to enter your new password right here 2 times. Then all you have to do is click on Change Password. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.